was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I just finished filming this hair in collaboration with MPJ's hair. I'm going to put the video up here for you guys to see. Today's video, I want to change my old wigs into a headband wig. This hair, I bought it very expensive. This hair is like more than 4 years ago. 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Actually 6 years ago, that's when I got this hair. The lace is like worn out, like it's really bad. So I stopped wearing the hair. The hair is really nice. Like 6 years ago, it's still looking really good. I'm gonna wash it, condition it, and then turn it to a headband wig. If you want to see how I turn my old wigs into a headband wig, keep on watching. I washed the hair very well, conditioned it very well. As you can see, the coils is popping and the hair came back to life. So I'm just sewing the hair from ear to ear. The hair was sewn like that when they made the old wig, so it was a lot easier for me to sew it on the wig cap. But it got to a point I had to join some hair together because it was so short. I did not sew the hair on the band so that it will not be tight when I'm wearing the wig. So avoid passing your needle through the band on the wig cap. I'm glad I turned my old wig into a headband wig. You know, I was going to get headband wig for myself, but it was too expensive. I don't understand why it's so expensive. There is no closure, it's just a headband. I've been seeing this headband wig on Instagram, in fact all social media platforms. I understand the hype. It is so easy to put on. You're gonna look fabulous without doing much. Everyone is looking for an easy way to look fabulous. Don't mind my thumbnail picture. That picture was taken when the hair was in a bad state. As you can see from this old picture, the hair is really nice and I enjoyed wearing the hair. So I'm going to continue to sew the hair from one end to the other until I close up everything. The wig is so easy to make. Anyone can make a headband wig. I think closure is a little bit more tricky, but this one doesn't have a closure, so it's easy to make. Anyone can make it. I hope you try it and let me know how it goes. I'm just finishing up. I'm on my last track here. I cut the black headband and attached the Velcro tape, and I'm sewing it down on the wig cap. This is going to make it more secured. This video is in 2 parts. The part 2 will be up next week. Please turn on your notifications so you know when I upload it. I'll be showing you some of my headband collections. I have headbands that I bought online, and I'll put the link in the description box as usual. I love headbands. They're always very trendy, and there's no better way to show you guys my headband collections without doing a headband wig video. Hope that makes sense. Clean up. No. Don't touch it. If you like this kind of videos, please give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.